The word inspiration means a lot to me, and it can be something that is all around you, or you may have to search for it. My pets were special to me, and I made up stories about them. Here I am at 4 years old with our German shepherd called Rocky. I imagined him roaming and guarding our peaceful woods at night. A filly foal named Mystique liked taking naps with Cariad. I dreaded school in the mornings. When I left, I felt freedom again, and my family encouraged me to seek new ideas in the world. A TV program led me to the Eiffel Tower, and I stood proudly at the top to conquer my fear of heights. The Louvre Museum inspired me no end, as a scene of mysterious knights who were praying captivated me. Of course, a knight or king needs his castle, and Carnarvon seemed the perfect spot, as they could watch out for possible enemies by sea and land. Aberystwyth gave me an amazing view and a beautiful beach, as I saw Aberystwyth and beyond glisten in the sun. What better than to finish the day off with a pint, and maybe the knights would agree after a hard day's battle. Next, I decided to experience the Brecon Beacons by horse. As I went along the rugged mountains, I thought of all the great things I had done and seen. It made me smile.